Good morning, guys. It is December 1st, 2025. Um, well, unfortunately, this old trusty 2002 Hotpoint dishwasher is finally at its end. The timer has been getting stuck, um, and yeah, it's been getting stuck like halfway through the cycle and not even continuing, and so you have to manually advance it or like bump it. We rent this house, called our landlord, said, yeah, dishwasher's having issues, you know, see if we can do anything about that. Still runs, washes dishes, just gets stuck. Well, appliance repair guy comes out and says, well, they're pretty much making parts for these old machines obsolete. Um, you're looking at about $200 or $300 for a timer. And yeah, you do the math. A new dishwasher on the low end is about $300 to $400. So, unfortunately, as of today, this dishwasher is no longer going to be with us. But, when you add it all up, it's got rusting racks. It's not terrible, but still, you got all these spots. So, and stains in the bottom and stuff. So, but that's not a big deal. It's just, you add it all up. Silverware basket, there's like a spot that's broken that if you're not careful, stuff will fall through, so you gotta be careful how you put stuff in. So, yeah. 24 years of service. I have no idea what they're gonna put in. I hope it's something decent. I don't get to decide, that's up to the landlord. But, yeah, it's just a shame. These old dishwashers were some of the best dishwashers ever made, in my opinion. Simple, reliable. Nowadays, you can't even get them with the freaking timer. It's just such a shame. But, I don't know. And now you're hard pressed to find anything that will last 25 years like this one did. Not quite 25 years, 24, but close enough. Yeah, it's just a shame. Just a shame, just a shame, just a shame. But as you can see, this thing is showing its age. It's got the yellow in here. I don't care what these look like. I really don't care. All I want is them to be reliable and not a piece of crap. That's all I'm saying. I don't care about efficiency. I don't care about any of that. I just want it to freaking work, and I just want it to be reliable. That's all there is to it. So, yeah, we'll see what they put in, but here's all its connections. It's the water, it's the drain hose, which goes up to an air gap here. I do believe that's code in my part of the country. Kind of in the Midwest-ish. Technically in the South, but kind of more towards the Midwest. So, yeah. So, yeah, unfortunately, this will be pulled out today, and again, I think you're hard pressed to find one with a door this thick. I mean, they just don't build stuff like this anymore. Such a shame. But, yeah. I don't mind hand washing dishes. I mean, I could live without a dishwasher. That's just all there is to it. I don't have to have a dishwasher. But they are nice to have. But, yeah. So, at the end of the day, I think a refrigerator is a far more important thing to make sure that you don't get something that's a piece of junk than a dishwasher. Because, I mean, as you can see, I can hand wash dishes. That's not a big deal. So, anyway, that's the sad news on the 2002 Hotpoint dishwasher. Sad to see it go. I do have some footage of it acting up, so I'll probably upload that as well, or you'll see that before this one. Not sure, but yeah, so sad day to see such a good, trusty dishwasher go out, but it is what it is. I mean, they don't last forever, and unfortunately, the appliance industry is just moving in a different direction than I would like, but you just gotta go with it and try your best to find whatever you can that's actually decent. I know everybody recommends Bosch and everything. I highly doubt that they're going to put a Bosch in here. It's probably going to be a Frigidaire or GE or something. But whatever it is, I'm just hoping it's decent. So, but anyway, yeah, that's the update. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.